welcome to the State of the Union evening here in Washington, D.C. And I'm really excited to have my friend Ann Vermilion, who I met up in Grant County. She is an administrator at the Marion General Hospital, and I met her when I toured Marion General Hospital a long time ago. But why I brought Ann and her husband Aaron, but Ann's our special guest tonight up in the gallery, is because she's been leading the Grant County Opioid and Substance Abuse Task Force. And she's been leading this task force for some time, and I've been so impressed with what they're doing in Grant County. And I really just wanted to thank you and wanted to invite you to be a part of hearing the President's message tonight. And so thank you for coming.
I know. I will tell you, I was just overwhelmed when she called or when you called, and it's just been an honor. I think I teased you on the phone. I thought, oh, there are so many Hoosiers that are working on the opioid and heroin epidemic, and you at some point always feel unworthy. You're like, oh no, but I will take it as attending and representing so many people that are working on this in the state of Indiana, especially in Grant County.
Well,
we're proud.
You've been a leader. You've testified at the State House.
Yes.
You've been an educator of other health systems.
Yes.
And you really started this how many years ago?
We started before most hospitals and healthcare were really looking at it. So back in 2014, we just realized that we saw what was the path and how many people were struggling with opioids and pills. And to be really honest, we realized that we might be a part of the problem, and our prescribing patterns were really not where we felt was where we should be prescribing, and we felt like we may have been a part of the problem, and we wanted to make a difference. So, when you decide you're a part of the problem, you have to be a part of the solution. And so I'm always just thankful that the hospital allows me to take what I had was a personal passion and just to be sure that no other community should have to reinvent the wheel. If they're looking for something on how do agencies work together, we want to show them what we've done and hand them all the notes.
Yeah.
They shouldn't have to redo it.
Well, I've really enjoyed. You've got prosecutors involved, law enforcement involved, you've got the schools involved, the business community involved, and most importantly, it was the medical community in Grant County and Marion General Hospital that brought this all together and to focus on it. So thank you very much. Have you been to Washington, D.C. before?
I have. What's been so wonderful this time is that my husband and I got to just tour a little bit. I'm always here, fly in to talk to the legislators very quickly and fly back out. And it's perfect to know that you're going to watch the State of the Union and having 2 days before it that you get to see the history of the Constitution, and you just get to see the eclectic and honorable parts of Washington, our nation's capital. So we've enjoyed it.
Well, and I know you went to Arlington this morning.
We did.
And honoring our military and those who've fallen. Anything in particular you're hoping to hear from the President tonight in his State of the Union?
Well, I'm always I'm proud that Congress and President Trump understands the dire need of the epidemic and of the opioids, and always going to be looking and always going to hear my voice to say we have to keep that front and center. I'm in healthcare, so that is one of the right now it's our top healthcare disparities, and it's the highest way people are dying. So I'm always going to be interested in that. Obviously, anything in healthcare, I'm a true believer that everyone deserves healthcare, and that we just need to be sure that we're protecting rural hospitals and rural health that take care of patients every day. Because I believe if as a community we're healthy, we're stronger. The workforce is stronger, the communities are stronger. So those are mine. I really take that away professionally. My dad is a U.S. history teacher, so just the history and the just excitement of the night, I just respect it and can't wait to just sit and watch it.
Well, what was fun is I was reminded last night in visiting with your husband Aaron, his brother Chris Vermilion's government teacher at North Central High School, where my kids went to school. And I'm really glad that your family has been a part of this and has been part of the excitement of you coming here. And thank you for all of your work on behalf of Hoosiers in the 5th. Thank you for all your work in leading the way in the fight against substance abuse and opioids and getting the medical community to be a leader in it. Thank you so much.
Same to you.
Thanks.
Thank you.